Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. To calculate the magnitude of heat Q in Part A, use the calorimetry formula, Q equals mc delta T. C equals 4.22 joules per gram degree Celsius, and temperature change delta T equals 16.7 degrees Celsius. The calculation yields Q equals 44.40 times 4. Collision theory explains that the reaction rate slows because reactant concentrations in solid surface area decrease over time, leading to a lower frequency of effective collisions and thus a less rapid temperature change. For Part C, since the temperature of the solution decreases, the reaction is endothermic, meaning heat flows from the surroundings into the reaction system. Finally, in Part D, the temperature. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.